Hello, my name is Christopher, and today I'm going to show you how to install Jellyfin on Proxmox. This makes it where you can run your own media server like movies. You can put movies on it, TV shows, different things like that. You can categorize things. You can stream things with clients. So a little bit about this series, I'm going over a home lab. So I'm going over installing things, getting things running, everything like that. So if you like that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And let's get started. So a little bit about Jellyfin. It's a media system. It's made by volunteers, so it's the open source community. Movies, shows, music, live TV and DVR, books, photos, sync play, and web, desktop, Android, Apple, Amazon, Roku, Kodi, and more. And then there you go, the demo. That's what it looks like. And it's free software, community built, no fees, and privacy focused. And we're going to get started installing it. So we're going to start with installing Jellyfin with Proxmox via helper scripts. And I'll have a link down in the description so you can get to it. So once we're on the site, we're going to type in Jelly. So you'll see Jellyfin Media Server, LXC. I'm going to copy this. But I'm also going to go to GitHub and show you what the script will be running. So I'm going to go to install. I'm going to type in Jelly. And then I'm going to go to Jellyfin, install. So first thing, installing dependencies. Curl, sudo, gnupg, and then mc. It's setting up hardware acceleration if you have that on. It's installing Jellyfin. So it's getting it from the source, putting it in apt-get to where it's able to install. Once you do all that, apt-get update, and then apt-get install, and then it's going to say installed, and then it's going to say SSH, and it's going to remove and clean up. So that's what the install does. So let's go over to the CT now, and it's going to set some default settings, and it's going to have the update script, so you can run this same command in an LXC and be able to update Jellyfin from it. So this will run. It'll do apt-get update and then apt-get upgrade, and then start, build container, description. It's going to show the IP address. So that's what it's doing. So I'm going to copy this script, and I'm going to go over to my Proxmox. Make sure you're in your node, and then you're in your shell, and then you can paste it in here, and then it'll say create a new Jellyfin LXC, proceed yes, return or enter, default settings yes. And this could take a bit on getting installed, but I would recommend setting a static IP with your MAC address in your router, and then the MAC address of this LXC in your router, and then connect it to a IP address that's not in your DHCP IP pool. So it's going to update the container operating system now. You can later increase this size and the cores and the RAM if you need to from the resources tab. Installing the dependencies now. Setting up the hardware acceleration. It's doing the same exact steps that we went over in the script. It's installing a Jellyfin now. And after this, it should say cleaning up, and then it should give us the IP address that we go to. And now it's giving us the IP address, so we'll go over there and get it up and running. Okay, now we can get it set up. So now I'm going to go into my Jellyfin LXC. I'm going to go to console, and then I'm going to create a Jellyfin directory. So I'm going to go make directory, and then I'm going to do P, and then I'm going to do data Jellyfin, and then I'm going to put it under movies. So it's going to be data Jellyfin and the movies. So this is going to hold the movies, and we're going to use it in the setup. So as you can see, if you go in here, you can see it is created now, so it should be working. So now I'm going to walk you through getting it set up. So my preferred language is English. And then I'm going to type in my username and my password. You will need to remember this to get back into the Jellyfin installation. So once you've done that, you press the next button. Okay, now you're going to add your media. So I'm going to add a folder. I'm going to go into data, Jellyfin, and then movies. I'm going to say OK. And then I'm going to say the content type is movies. So I'm going to say OK. Okay, now it's set up as movies. Okay, now I'm going to say next. Next. And then next. And then you are done. So now we will just sign in with our account that we just created. Okay, and now you can go in here, you can see your movies, different things like that. Once you have everything's in there, you can go to your dashboard. So I just went over getting Jellyfin server up and running on Proxmox. This makes it where you can run your own media server. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you need support, you can go to the Big Bear community or comment down below. And you can do the same thing with video suggestions. Let me know if you have any ideas on what you want to see on the channel. So stay tuned for more.